Hello everyone, it's wonderful to have you here today. We're about to embark on an exciting journey, exploring the art of transforming grapes into fine wine. From planting the first vine to bottling the final product, we'll uncover every step of this fascinating process. Let's dive into the world of winemaking. The journey begins by selecting healthy grapevine cuttings from mature plants. Skilled workers carefully cut branches from the vines and prepare them for propagation by dipping the cut ends into a rooting hormone, encouraging rapid root development. These cuttings are then placed in a moist medium, such as soil or water, in a controlled environment, where they begin to grow roots and sprout new leaves. Once the young grapevines have developed a strong root system and show signs of new leaf growth, they are carefully tended to ensure optimal development. Modern machinery is then used to efficiently harvest the seedlings. After harvesting, these seedlings are carefully packaged and transported to the planting site, ready for the next stage of the journey. At the vineyard, the seedlings are planted in rows with adequate spacing to allow each plant enough room to grow. The arrangement is meticulously calculated to optimize sunlight exposure, helping the plants thrive. Irrigation systems are installed to ensure that the grapevines receive sufficient water throughout their growth cycle, while the soil is enriched with fertilizers to provide the necessary nutrients for optimal development. As the grapevines mature, they go through several stages, including budding, flowering, fruit set, and ripening. The grapes slowly mature, with the timing of the harvest being crucial. Factors such as sugar content, acidity, and flavor development guide the decision on when to pick the grapes. Some varieties are harvested earlier for a lighter, more acidic profile, while others are left on the vine longer for a sweeter, richer taste. When the grapes reach peak ripeness, modern agricultural machinery is used to quickly and efficiently harvest the clusters, ensuring minimal damage to both the fruit and the vines. Once harvested, the grapes are swiftly transported to the winery for processing. Here, the grapes are first sorted to remove any leaves, stems, or damaged fruit. The sorted grapes then go through a crushing process to extract the juice. For red wine, the juice is fermented together with the skins to enhance color, tannin, and flavor. White wines, on the other hand, are produced by fermenting the juice without the skins, resulting in a lighter color and a crisper taste. The crushed juice, known as must, is then placed in fermentation tanks, where yeast is added to convert the natural sugars into alcohol. This fermentation process can last anywhere from several days to weeks, depending on the desired style of wine. Red wines are typically fermented at higher temperatures to draw out deeper flavors and tannins, while white wines ferment at cooler temperatures to preserve their delicate aromas. After the primary fermentation is complete, the wine undergoes aging to further develop its character. The choice of aging method depends on the type of wine being produced. Red wines are often aged in oak barrels, which impart additional flavors such as vanilla, spice, and a hint of smokiness. Oak aging also allows the wine to slowly interact with oxygen, softening the tannins and enhancing the complexity of the flavors. White wines are often aged in stainless steel tanks to maintain their fresh and fruity characteristics. During the aging process, the winemaker carefully monitors the wine's development, tasting it periodically to determine the ideal moment for bottling. Once the wine has reached its peak, it goes through a final filtration to remove any remaining impurities. The wine is then bottled with precision to preserve its quality, with each bottle being sealed with a cork or screw cap to prevent spoilage. Labeling the bottles is the final step before they are packaged for distribution. Labels provide important information such as the vineyard, grape variety, vintage year, and alcohol content. Each bottle now tells the story of the vineyard, the meticulous care taken throughout the growing and production process, and the dedication of the winemakers who crafted it. And there you have it, a journey that starts with a simple vine and ends with a glass of exquisite wine. This transformation is more than just a process. It's an art that combines nature's bounty with human ingenuity. The resulting wine reflects not only the quality of the grapes, but also the passion and skill of the people who make it. If you enjoyed learning about winemaking, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating insights into the world of agriculture and beyond. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to taking you on our next adventure. Until then, cheers.